Very good afternoon to my dear students. Today we are with you with one of the topic of your writing section. This question comes in your short composition. The word limit of this question is 50 words, and this question carries a 4 marks. This question covers the 4 topics, and out of 4 you have to, in examination you have to attempt one topic. You will get the choice for the same. The topics are notice writing, advertisement, posters, and invitations. At 11th, you have 3 topics: notice, advertisement, and poster. Invitations are included in your 12th standard. The word notice, if you think, it also related to the notice board. In your day-to-day life, you see the notice boards are in some institution, departments, clubs, offices, and you find some certain notice are pasted on that. The purpose, if you find behind that, is only to convey the information to the people those are related to that. In simple word, if you want to say, the notice means information or announcement or display of any information to a particular group or people to make them aware about the informations. Notices can be printed, it can be typed also, and sometimes it can be handwritten also. It can be written on a plain paper, sometime on the lining papers if you find, and sometimes they are printed, and sometimes they can be written on the letterheads of the offices. uh, I will talk to you what are the main features or good features of good notice writing. I will tell you one by one, but at the same time with the video I will provide you some notes which have all kind of detail which will help you to understand this topic. First of all, we will discuss about the format of this notice writing. Notice is ever written in a block, or the block can be rectangular or square. On the top of in that block, you will write the name of institution or department which is issuing this notice. Under that, you will write the word notice itself. On the left side, under the notice word, you will write the date, and after leaving one line in the mid of this the block, you will write the heading, title, or caption. Then you will start your content, or after writing the content, in the left corner you will put the signature of the authority when that is writing this notice, or under that in a block you will write the name of the authority. Under that you will write the designation of the person who is writing or issuing this notice. If you divide the marks of this question, you will find this is of 4 marks, and for the distribution of the marks, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 marks especially for the format, which the points I told you that should be in your notice of you. 2 marks for content, that the information, or 1 marks for expression, that consists of grammatical mistake or other kind of mistakes, or coherence in the sentences. There are some features of good notice that after adding the format, the content should give the answers of few questions, certain question. If your content is giving the answer of what, when, where, by whom, for whom, and sometime it purpose, that will help you. If it's giving the answers of these questions, somewhere you can find my notice is about to complete category of the notice writing. The other way of improving this notice writing is that you must read some solved example from various books, so that they will help you to understand the content point of view, or the format you can also find to see. And for few example unsolved, if you do, that can help you a lot. So in my this video, I just told you the introduction of this notice writing, the good feature of the notice writing, and I am just that I will attach my one of notes which have the format pattern. Format is some important thing that should be remembered while writing the notice, or some starting line can be like that. Sometimes all the students are here informed. It is to inform to all the students. This is being informed to all. Or sometimes you are writing the name of any department or which is issuing any notice. So you can write the street department of this school is going to organize. Such a line can be there, and after that you can continue notice writing. I think with the help of this video and plus few some notes which will I will provide you, that will help to understand. Or if you have any kind of query related to that questions, you can send me your query into the group. So I think that can be sufficient for you for this topic. Thank you very much to